Hello viewers, welcome. My name is Setongo Mbarak, and in this video I want to congratulate myself upon reaching 100 subscribers, and I want to thank you all my subscribers. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for subscribing to Comex Battery Solutions, and keep liking my videos, keep following me, keep sharing my videos, because this channel I made it just to share knowledge and work experience. If you are there, you are young, you want to make money, you can as well do this kind of job and get money as I do. Thank you for liking me, thank you for following me. Share my page, share my videos, so that others can get the information that I'm spreading. Thank you for liking me. My name is Setongo Mbarak, and thank you for keeping it at Comex Battery Solutions. Thank you very much.